In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and invest in stock for beginners in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, there are so many platforms where you can actually invest in stocks. One of them include Bamboo. But one thing you need to understand about the Bamboo is you can only invest in stock using their mobile app. And their mobile app is available for download on the Google Play Store and Apple App Stores. And one thing about it is you can invest in so many stocks. You can buy Amazon stocks, Netflix, Facebook, and lots more. But for this video, I'll be using a different platform called Trove. With Trove is also another investment, or let me say is investment platform in Nigeria where you can buy stocks, ETFs, and so many more. And one thing I love about Trove is the fact that they also have a desktop application, which means you can access them from the website, which you can see right here, sign in or get started. You can click on the get started link if you wish to create an account, or you can go ahead and download their mobile app if you prefer to use that. So to sign up on their mobile app, to sign up on their platform, it's very easy. All you just have to do is to put in your emails, fill in little documentation, and you are in. Into the platform, it looks something like this, and I already have my account. So basically, this is what my account look like. If you scroll down, so this is the Trove application, and here is what it actually looks like. In order for you to make use of this Trove application, you need to tap on this icon, tap on this US icon, then you're gonna see option to select your portfolio. You use the US portfolio to invest on US stocks like buy Amazon stocks, Facebook stocks, and the likes. Then you use the NGN portfolio to buy stocks in Nigeria. So since I have money in my Nigeria portfolio, I'll use the NGN portfolio. And coming to the NGN portfolio, it looks like this. So I'm going to cancel what's new. So currently, as you can see, it shows my total return, like my total return currently and in amounts I have in my account. So if I scroll down, you notice that I have invested in one stock, and I bought the stock for around 2,600 naira, and now the stock is worth 4,825 naira. I did not just buy the stock because of this video. I've bought this stock like few months ago, and you can actually see the outcome of investing in this particular stock, which I'm actually going to show you today on how to invest in stocks. So now the next thing you want to do is to come down. You can see the Trove education where you can learn more about stocks and more. So if you click on explore, the explore section is going to show you where you can actually invest in stock. So you click on NGN stock to invest in Nigerian stock. Remember I said you can only use the NGN portfolio to invest in NGN stocks or Nigerian stocks. So if you scroll down, you notice these are the assets. Select the assets you want to invest in, and scroll down. There's also what we call the market, when the market open and when the market closes. Right now the market is closed, which means my trade is not going to enter instantly. I have to wait when the market is opened. So if you scroll down, you can actually look at this graph. It's more of like crypto, looking at the graph, understanding if this particular company is doing well or not. You can look at it last 1 year to see if they actually made profits in last 1 year. And looking at this graph, I would say it's moving in a straight line, which is not really cool for me, and I don't want to invest in a company that's stagnant. So I'm going to go ahead and look for a better company. Like for example, if you look at this, let me make use of this Transcourt Hotel. Transcourt Hotel has made lots of improvements over the years. So this was just this is a 1 day graph. If I click 1 month, you can see how the graphs look like in 1 month. Let's click on 1 year, so you can see how the graph looks like. You can see how the graph looks like in 1 year, and it shows that the company keeps improving. I won't say, you can actually click on it. If you click on it, you see the time frame. You can see right here, this was last year, 10th, this is 10th month of last year, and at the beginning of the new month, beginning of the month, the stock was worth something cool. Not really beginning of the month, I'm trying to get the point, but you know it's not really easy getting that on a mobile phone. But it says, I think around February, which is February February 2024, the stock rise to $100, which means by the time it's December, this stock should be able to rise more than this again. So yeah, so that's how it is. You just have to look at the graph and look if this stock or this company is worth investing into. So there are so many other companies, like there are so many other companies on this same section. Basically, why I love investing in hotels is because hotels are always busy on during the holidays and special season, because people are going to be booking hotels in various locations, and that is a good way for you to make profit. So once, let's say for example, let's say I want to invest in Stanbic. I'll scroll down and you can look at the open, you can look at the stats and everything. Then you can click on buy, and on the buy section put in the amount you want to invest. How much Stanbic stock do you want to buy? I'm going to say, if I say 50, it's going to give me the amounts plus the charges. It means I'm buying at, you can see right here, share price. This is the share price. If I click on review, it's going to tell me the amount. I'm going to pay 2,675 naira to buy 50 Stanbic stock, which is very easy. And all I have to do is to swipe this and I'll be able to buy it instantly. But I don't want to buy this stock because I haven't done my research if Stanbic is worth it. I've already done the one for Transcorp, and that's why I'm actually telling you about Transcorp. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and buy. So yes, I'm sure you've been able to understand how to go ahead and invest in stock using Trove, and I'm sure this would be a good investment for you and a good way for you to start investing in stock if you're in Nigeria. I hope you found the video really helpful. If you did, kindly subscribe, like, and follow for more tips.